This video is on setting up a balance obstacle course. As you can see, I have some pillows, a stepping stool, some yoga blocks, books, a laundry basket to step in and out of, a box to step in and out of. This is a half foam roll. If you have something that you can use as a balance beam, that'd be great. And then a chair and a toy tool bench to walk in between. When you're doing the balance obstacle course, just a couple safety things. If you're using pillows or books, it's probably better to use it on a carpet. I used a yoga mat, so it's less likely to slip. And just as much as you can, have it in an open space. So if your child does lose their balance, they're not falling into something. And the most important rule is that they're not running or going through it very fast. It's all about keeping their balance and thinking about what they're doing. This is Braden. He's going to do the balance obstacle course. So remember, the most important thing is to stay on and balanced. Okay, go ahead. So he's stepping on the pillows, walking on the books, stepping in and out with 2 feet. This one's tricky because it's really high. Good job. Step out. And get your balance. Go in between, and all done. Great job. There's a couple games you can do when you're doing the balance obstacle course. One of them is the freeze game, and another is throwing a ball to them while they're on obstacle course. Okay, so Braden, go ahead, and I'm going to tell you when to freeze. Freeze. Go. Braden, catch. Throw it back. Good job. What you can do is have them carry something with both hands, like a box, a bin, or a tray. Having them stop by doing the freeze game or catching a ball really helps develop their balance strategies. We can either use our hips or sway our arms or trunk, or use our ankles as a balance strategy. So having them stop suddenly helps develop those, and also helps develop core stability, because the core is going to engage too when you have to stop or stop and throw a ball. And having them carry something works on motor planning, trying to figure out where do I need to hold this tray or bin in order for me to see where I'm going, or how do I have to position it in order to go between 2 objects. Another thing I would often do is have the child pay attention to how many times they stepped off or lost their balance, so they become aware of why they're losing their balance and how they can improve their balance. And depending on how old the child is, I would incorporate them either writing the score, how many times they stepped off, and then at the end, say we did 3 trials and they stepped off 5, 3, and 2 times. They could work on doing some math, or I can point out, hey, you really improved from 5 times off to 2 times off. We can also include that.